Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Build. If Fortnite is stuck on your loading screen on your PC or laptop, here's how to fix it. First, verify your game files. Open the Epic Games launcher, go to your library, click the three dots next to Fortnite and select Verify. This will repair any corrupted or missing files. Next, update your graphic drivers for NVIDIA and use GeForce Experience for AMD. Use Adele software to install latest drivers. Then clear the game's cache. Press Windows R, local, percentage local app data percentage and hit enter. Find the Fortnite game folder. Open it and delete the saved folder. Relaunch the game to let it rebuild, refresh, cache file. If this issue persists, run Fortnite as administrator. Right-click the Fortnite shortcut, choose Properties, go to Compatibility and run as administrator. Lastly, check your system's performance. Close unnecessary background apps with Task Manager to free up CPU and RAM. Thank you for watching How to Web. If this helped, like, share and subscribe for more fixes and tutorials.